Hello NSA student, this is Mr. Hinton with the Math Department dealing with some week 21 frequently asked questions. This set of questions has to do with the triangle bisector theorem. And if we have a triangle, and I might just kind of remove this middle side for a moment. If we have a triangle given and then we have one of the angles bisected like this, then it's always going to create a proportional relationship between the sides. So as long as we have equal angles here, meaning we have an angle bisector going on here. Let me fix these two sides for you. Then we have a proportional relationship formed. So let's just say these lengths of these sides are A, B, C, and D. The proportional relationship that is always formed is that A divided by B is going to equal to D divided by C. So it kind of works like this proportional relationship. A divided by B is equal to D divided by C. And we're going to use this triangle bisector theorem in a variety of places. And let me pull up a problem that I can show you this is going to work in. If we had a situation like this, we're told in this particular problem that ray LO bisects angle NLM. So here we have it. We have a triangle and one of the angles of the triangle is being bisected. And then we're given that LM is equal to 18. The value of NO is equal to 4. LN equals 10. What is the value of X? Now step number one is always going to be to label the values that were given. So LM is equal to 18. We're told right out of the blocks that this is the angle bisector. So we have the same scenario that I just explained to you in the previous problem. NO equals 4. And LN is equal to 10. So to solve for X in this problem, we're going to do 4 divided by 10 equals X divided by 18. And then we'll cross multiply and solve. 4 times 18 is 72. And then 10 times X is 10X. And then when we divide both sides by 10, we get X equals 7.2. So that's the solution to this problem. So it's really, once you know that the conditions of the triangle bisector theorem are met, then this proportional relationship is really easy to solve. Now, hands down, the most frequently asked question in all of semester 2, I believe, is going to be this problem. And I get this question a lot since the very first time that I looked at it. And to be completely honest with you, when I was a new teacher in this course, this particular problem stumped me. I wasn't sure immediately how to solve it, because what's different about this problem is that there's no geometric shape given to us here. We have this blob of a lake and these 4 towns that are going to, and we're trying to find the distance between particular towns. So, but let's have a look at this. They positioned themselves, these 4 explorers positioned themselves as shown in the diagram. Alhambra uses her compass to instruct Chow and Duong to move along the line so they form with Bisset, until she sees that her perspective between the angle between Bisset and Chow is equal to the angle formed between Chow and Duong. So let's stop there and let's put these angles in. So what we actually want to do is we want to draw a line here, and we want to draw a line here, and we want to draw a line there, and we're also going to draw a line because it says that these 3 towns are aligned like that. And she has positioned herself so that these 2 angles are the same. Ding, 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 ding. What we have here is an angle bisector in a triangle, and so the conditions of the triangle bisector theorem are met here. Now we're going to label what we are given. It says they measure between the distance between Bisset and Chow to be 35. So this is 35. And I'm writing kind of small here. and between Chow and Duong to be 46. So this little piece of the triangle is 46. And between Alhambra and Duong to be 100. And I know I'm butchering these names. So we're trying to figure out the distance across the lake. And we're going to set up our proportion by the triangle bisector theorem. 46 over 100 equals 35 over x. We're going to cross multiply and solve from there. I don't need that extra 0 out there. So 46x equals 3,500. And when you divide 3,500 by 46, we get 76.1. All right. And that is in meters. Okay. That's how you use the triangle bisector theorem to solve these types of problems. Thanks and have a great day.